Hi there, students. Not the full shilling. Okay, this is an idiom that means that you're not in control of your mental faculties. You're not sane. You're not all there. You're mad. You're crazy. Yeah, so if you describe somebody as not the full shilling, they're a bit crazy. They're a bit mad. They don't know really what they're doing. Their mind's a bit unhinged. Yeah, I think him spending all that money on such a ridiculous thing, he tells us that he's not the full shilling. You can also use this to mean rather stupid or unintelligent as well, but I think crazy or mad is probably more common. So yeah, he's not the full shilling, so be patient with him. Sometimes I get the feeling that our government is not the full shilling. They're a bit crazy. And then there are lots of other idioms like this. So if somebody's not the full shilling, they're barking mad, they're daft, they're crackers. I think they're absolutely balmy. Yeah, they're round the twist, for example. They are mentally challenged. Yeah, they're not the sharpest knife in the drawer. Yeah, they're not the sharpest tool in the shed. Yeah, I think these two are talking more about being stupid, not being very intelligent. Yeah, I think he's soft in the head. He's not the full shilling. Yeah, he's a sandwich short of a picnic and not playing with a full deck. Yeah. He's as nutty as a fruitcake or as mad as a hatter. Yeah. He's really very feather-brained and not very smart. Yeah. He's just not right in the head. Okay, so acting like that, it's not the full shilling. You can use it to mean stupid, but we also use it to mean unintelligent and slow as well. Yeah, he may not be the full shilling, but he's a really good worker. So, formality. For informality, use it in an informal conversation. I think we nearly always use it in the negative. I suppose you could use it in the positive. This decision shows that he is the full shilling. There were doubts about his sanity before, but this shows that he is the full shilling. So for informality, use it in an informal conversation. Don't use it in anything semi-formal as well. And then the origin, well, a shilling is an old British coin. Let's see, there were 12 pennies in a shilling and 20 shillings in a pound. So if he's not the full shilling, maybe he's been shortchanged. He only got 10 pennies for his shilling, or maybe 11. Notice these are pennies, not pence. Okay, so if somebody's not the full shilling, they're not all there. They're a bit crazy or a bit slow and stupid. Yeah, so calling somebody not the full shilling, you're not being terribly nice about them. Yeah, so this is critical, so be careful where you use it, but use it informally. It's a great phrase. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Not the full shilling, or the full shilling.